I am going to go down the slide. If hacker equals active downside dot g. What? No, I said downside instead of downslide. If hacker equals active. Stop floating slit point, Diddy. No, I misspelled again. No, I gotta make it fast. If hacker equals active. Stop slide point XCCHFHJFHF. No, I can't help this. Now the slide is self-destructing to the ground. Cancel. No, now I am not in the ground.